Yelp offers a convenient way to discover nearby businesses, including restaurants, shops, and services. Here is how you can find nearby business locations on Yelp. Open your web browser and navigate to the Yelp website, or launch the Yelp mobile app on your smartphone. While signing into your Yelp account isn't optional, it can enhance your experience by allowing you to save favorites and leave reviews. Use the search bar on the Yelp homepage or app to enter your current location or the location you want to explore. This can be a city, a neighborhood, street address, or a landmark. Yelp offers a wide range of categories to explore, including restaurants, shoppings, nightlife, and more. Click on the category that best suits your needs and interests. Once you've selected a category, you can further refine your search using filters. Yelp will display a list of nearby businesses based on your search criteria. Scroll through the results to view business names, ratings, and reviews. If you prefer a visual representation of nearby businesses, switch to Map View. Click on the names of individual businesses in the search results to view more details. This includes information such as the address, the phone number, website, hours of operation, and customer reviews. By following these simple steps, you can easily find nearby business locations on Yelp. Happy Yelping! Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.